First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So friends, here is the special Pendrive package that is only for 3 months validity, because many students, those are preparing for this SBI Clerk exam, so they are repeatedly asking me in WhatsApp that they need only with low price and limited time is enough. Actually, we have 6 months and 12 months package, but currently we are giving 3 months package at very low price. Just to WhatsApp us, we will tell you all the details, and this 3 months package includes the test series also, so you don't want to buy the test series again. So everything comes in the 3-month package. So students, those who are preparing for SBI Clerk, kindly make use of it, right? So all my YouTube videos will be given in an offline mode in a pen drive. And many students were asking this also, is there any special content in it? No special content in it. All my YouTube videos, only YouTube videos will be inside the pen drive, but in a proper dashboard, right? For example, I have seen many students were asking me that how to start my preparation in aptitude, whether I should start first simplification or should I start first number system. So these are the doubts that you have. But here in this pen drive package inside the software, we have just listed it how to learn. First go with simplification, then approximation, then go with number system, and then average, and then ratio proportion. So we have given that proper dashboard here, so that in that 1 or 1.5 month you can just like that revise all my 500 videos, right? So that's the reason we are giving it. And many students were asking that they have only 1 GB of data per day, 2 GB of data per day, where I can't able to watch my videos. So for them, make use of it, and just WhatsApp us today. So we will reply by today late evening, or else we will reply by tomorrow. Our team will be coming from tomorrow to dispatch all the pen drives. So they will definitely dispatch all the pen drives by tomorrow or day after tomorrow. So make use of it. It's 3 months special package only for SBI Clerk students, those who are preparing for it, right? So after getting it, there will be a separate team to guide you to install everything. They will help you. Just WhatsApp us, we will tell you the price and all the details, right? So this includes the test series as well. After purchasing the 3 months package, that all-in-one test series will also be activated to your account, so you can able to write all the tests which is inside that all-in-one: current affairs, aptitude, reasoning, English, and then all economics, physics, all the contents will be there inside it, and you can able to write all the tests for an year, 1 year, right? So you are buying for 3, but test series will be activated for 1 year. So thank you so much for watching this video. Just want to say this to you because many students are WhatsApping me daily regarding this special package, 3 months they need it for. So now it's available on my platform, so make sure to utilize it properly, right? So thank you so much, right, watching this video, and don't forget to WhatsApp me. So thank you so much. Bye.